Welcome to the course Unix and Shell Programming. Myself S. Nagamalikras, Assistant Professor CSE Department from Vignan Institute of Information Technology. Today, the lecture 2 from Unit 3 is, we are going to discuss these three topics in lecture 2. One is how we are going to create the new commands, and next one is command arguments and parameters, and program output as arguments. So we are going to cover these three topics in lecture 2. Just we have to revise. In previous lecture 1 from unit 3, we discussed about command line structure, how shell is going to execute our commands, and what is the role of shell, and not only that, how we are going to write the commands, syntax of the commands. The syntax of the command is command, options and arguments, and what are the rules that we are going to follow for while writing the commands. And next, we also discussed about meta characters. These topics we covered in previous lecture 1. So now while coming to lecture 2, these are the agenda. So these are the contents that is present in the lecture 2. One is creating new commands with the help of alias, and command arguments and parameters with the help of set command and shift command. And next one, program output as arguments. These are the contents that we are going to cover in today's session. While coming to lecture outcomes, students able to know how to create a new command, in how many ways we are going to create a new command. Not only that, students able to know how to access the command arguments with the help of shell variables. Let us see the first topic, creating new commands. First of all, why we are going to create the new commands means, for example, consider some group of commands that we are going to execute, or assume some sequence of commands are there, where such type of commands are we are using very frequently in our shell script. That means always we are going to type this entire longer type of those commands. For example, cat space file1. So longer commands means assume cat space file8, pipe symbol. Next one, wc space option L. So assume such type of longer commands are there. I want to execute this command frequently in our shell script. So that means so many times that I am going to execute such type of commands. For those commands, we are going to create the new command. That means maybe it in shorter hand. That means no need to type of always this type of longer hand commands. So after that, creating the new commands, with the help of that new command, we can use it like a regular command. So let us see some examples, or in how many ways we are going to create a new command. So consider this example. Here cat demo 8. So I am displaying the content that is present in the file name. This demo 8 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, some 9 lines of code. So here just we are displaying the what is the content present in the demo 8 with the help of cat command. Now after that, here I am using some group of commands at a time, or sequence of commands. See here, cat space demo 8. Without this one, what is the role of this cat demo 8 means? It will display entire content that is present in the file demo 8. After that, I am using here pipe symbol. After the pipe symbol, another command is there along with some option. That command is wc. wc indicates word count. For that, I am using another option L. This option L indicates only how many lines are there. Now how it will works? This pipe command, it takes the output from this previous command and it will provides as an input to the next command that is following by the pipe symbol. So this entire content will send to this command and it will check how many lines that are present in that demo 8 file. So the answer is 9. Assume this sequence of commands that we are using, based on my requirement, nearly I am going to use 4 to 5 times assume. That means always I have to type this entire sequence of commands. So for that purpose, I am creating some new command. How we are going to new command? Let us see here. Here I am typing echo. Echo command means it displays the whatever argument we are passing, that argument to the monitor. So entire argument it will give us as an output to the monitor. We are giving this one, cat space demo 8 and pipe symbol wc option L. With the help of output redirection, I am directed to this UU file name or some name UU. So what happens, instead of displaying this one on output screen, this entire thing is redirected to UU. So let us check what is the present in UU means. This one, cat space demo 8 pipe symbol and WC command along with option. If I want to execute, instead of typing this entire thing, I am giving like this sh input redirection. I am giving this file as a input redirection. What that file is? UU. What contains that file is cat space demo8, some sequence of commands that is present in that file name. So sh input redirection EU, output is 9. So what we get previous answer 9, no, same answer we will get. Assume in somewhere again I want to execute this command. So again no need to type this command. We already created in new command, means this is the form of creating the new command. So with the help of this new command, again I will execute like this. Again answer will come. That means any updation will exist in the demo 8 or some new content may be added. Again I want to check how many lines are present. Instead of typing all those things, now I will give like this sh input redirection UU. Now I will get maybe 13 lines. Again if I type like this, maybe I get 20 lines, 25 lines like that. So in this way we are going to create the new commands. So instead of typing that sequence of commands so many times, with the help of this new command, creating of new command we can use. Let us check in another way also we can create new command, that is with the help of alias command. So with the help of alias command also we can create the new command. What is the meaning of alias? Means creating of duplicate name to the existing one. That means assume any command is there, existing command, for that we are creating the duplicate name. Let us consider for existing command we can create some duplicate name. That duplicate name is known as alias name. How we are going to create the duplicate name for the existing command name? Means with the help of alias command only it is possible. So an alias is a shortcut command to a longer command. So let us consider some examples how we are going to create the alias. Means for example in shell prompt I am using like this ls space option L. Assume ls space option L. Instead of typing always ls space option L, ls space option L, I can use like this. I am creating the another alternate name with the help of alias. Assume just small l is equal to ls space option L, enter. Now what happens, what is the output that we are going to get from this command ls space option L? Same output we can get from this name L. That means if I type L, enter, it works the same like a ls space option L. So what is the output that we are getting from the ls space option L? Same output we can get from this name. Now ls space option L, for this command the duplicate name is small l, or we can call as this is alias name. This is longer hand, this is shorthand or shortcut of the existing command. This is known as alias. Or for example if I create like this alias some p is equal to pwd. We know that present working directory. So instead of typing pwd I will get some path, no, home, some Vignan. If I type small p, because p is nothing but duplicate to this command, so same output I will get, like in the root home is there, in the home Vignan is there, like that. So in this way we are going to create the alias. So an alias is a shortcut command to a longer command. Any longer commands are there or any some sequences of commands are there, for that we can create some alias name, that is very shortcut name. By using this shortcut name we will use as a frequently, then no problem, because no need to type entire command always. So with that alias name we can use. What is the result that we are getting from original command? Same result we are getting from the alias command. So while coming to second point, users may type the alias name to run the longer command with lessing typing. For example, here already we seen that instead of pwd I can type with the help of alias name small p. So same result I will get. Now third one, without argument alias prints a list of defined aliases. This means, let us consider this example. Based on requirement maybe I created nearly 10 aliases, assume. So based on the requirement I created 10 aliases for existing commands, but I forgot for this command what is that alias name, or for that command whether I created the alias or not. If you have any doubt or if you want to verify till now how many aliases I created, for that one with the help of alias command without any option we have to type like this alias. If you want to see the how many aliases that you are created, with the help of alias command it is possible. So alias, enter, that means without any options we have to give. So without any options, if you give simply alias command after that enter, it will list out how many aliases that are presented. For example, here one alias is there, C is equal to ls space option L. That means what is the result we are getting from the ls space option L? Same result we can get from this C. C is nothing but alias name or duplicate name for that command ls space option L. Another alias also is there, lines, LINES, that name, alias name. It resembles cat space demo1 pipe symbol WC space option L. That means indirectly what is the meaning of this command? How many lines that are present in this file we will get. For example, assume 9 lines are there, output is 9. Same result we can expect from this one because this is just duplicate name. So if you type like this lines, enter, the output is 9 because this is alias for this command cat space demo1 space pipe symbol space WC space option L. So this is the alias name. Like that, if you want to see the how many aliases present in our script or how many aliases that you are created temporarily, for that the command is alias. Without any option we have to give. After typing this alias enter, it will list out all aliases that are present in the script. So again here some examples again. Alias, we already discussed these examples. P is equal to PWD. So this is the alias name or duplicate name. Original existing command is PWD. So we know that it will give the entire path. So present working directory. If you want to verify the present working directory where that will exist, like that, if you want to check entire path, we have to give PWD. So with the help of alias command, I am creating the duplicate name for this command, that is P. Now check, if I type P enter, the output is in root home is there, inside the home Vignan is there. Like that one path will come. So if you type PWD, same output will come. Like that if you type P, same output will come. So instead of typing now PWD, just you can type P. So this is the alias. So let us consider this example. Now here I given some list, LIST list is equal to ls space option L. Now what is the output we are getting from this ls space option L? Same output we are getting from this list. Now list enter, so it will give the output long listing of the existing files. Now present only one file is there, assume demo. For that long listing means 7 parameters, number of permissions, number of links, username, group name, file size, time and date creation, and last one file name. This is the meaning of long listing. That means if we use like this ls space optional, this is the output. Now for this we are creating the alias name, that name is list. If you type the list, same result whatever we are expecting from ls space option L, that result will come. So in this way we are using the alias command. So wherever the longer format is there or some sequence of commands is there, instead of typing entered sequences of commands so many times, for those commands we can create the alias name. With the help of that shortcut name we can use in our script. Now while coming to unalias, unalias is nothing but removing defined aliases. Okay, based on requirement I created alias, now I don't need those aliases, I want to remove those duplicate names or those aliases. Now with the help of unalias command we can remove the alias that we are created. Now the syntax is unalias space list. This is the command, unalias space list. This is list means before that we created using alias command, alias space list. For that list we assign some command. Now I am removing that alias name. So unalias space list enter. Now what happens means from the alias list this duplicate name will be removed or this alias will be removed. Why it removed means with the help of unalias only it is possible we can remove the defined aliases. Now if you check, if I type like this list, what happened? No command found. Previously we got the result ls space optional result we can expect from the list. Now command not found. Why it came means we are already undefined or we already removed that alias list. Like that we know if you type P still it will come present working directory output because we assigned alias space P is equal to PWD. That's why whenever you are typing P, present working directory output will come. And now I want to remove this alias P. So with the help of unalias, P, whatever we previously defined the alias. After that enter, now what happens means from the list this alias P was also removed. Now if you type P, what the output is command not found. So in this way, with the help of unaliases, we can remove the defined aliases. Now you check these two examples. With the help of alias, what is the output that we are going to expect means entire list of aliases it will display. Instead of deleting unalias P, unalias something. So assume I created nearly 15 aliases. If I want to remove those 15 aliases, instead of typing unalias one name, unaliases second duplicate name, unaliases third duplicate name, that means we have to type 15 times. Instead of removing each and everything separately, we can remove all aliases at a time. So that is possible with the help of unalias space option A. This indicates it will erase all aliases that is present in the current session or present cell, or what are the temporary aliases that we created, all aliases will be erased or all aliases will be removed. With the help of unalias space option A we have to give. So once again, if you want to check how many aliases present, with the help of alias command without any option we have to give. If you want to remove all aliases that is present in our script, that command is unalias space option A. If you want to check alias, no list will present because previously we removed all aliases. So if you want to remove specific alias, with the help of unalias and the name, that is enough. I want to remove all aliases means then with the help of unalias command only it is possible. So in this way we are going to create new commands. In next session we are going to discuss program arguments and parameters, that nothing but positional parameters. With the help of set command, shift command, we are going to discuss in next session. Thank you.